Big crowds showing up at Chick-fil-A restaurants in Southwest Florida and around the country as people take sides in the debate over same-sex marriage. Organizers call this a day of appreciation, but others say it's really about discrimination. Long lines inside, long lines outside. Even at the drive-thru, all these folks ready and willing for the long wait.
Yes, I am. That's fine.
All to make a point.
I'm here to support Chick-fil-A.
And to show what they don't support.
Oh, I have friends that are gay and everything. Granted, that's their lifestyle. But it does not mean that I have to support their a marriage.
This big turnout comes after Chick-fil-A's president, Dan Cathy, recently said he's, quote, guilty as charged in believing gay couples should not be allowed to get married.
I got a discussion with a friend of mine. I said, should I unfriend you because I don't like your views?
But it's not just the Chick-fil-A president's views that are up for debate, it's his actions. He and the other owners have funneled millions of dollars from the private company to anti-gay groups fighting to legally deny gay and lesbian Americans the right to get married. Many of these folks say that's fine.
That's a privilege.
And they intend to make the most of their privilege to eat at a place that seems to be in line with how they feel, not to mention what they like.
I intend to enjoy my food.
A little bit later, we're showing you how customers who are unhappy with Chick-fil-A's donations to fight gay marriage plan to make a statement with what's usually considered a very sweet gesture. Also, which famous political name showed up at a local Chick-fil-A to make a statement today. Now it's your turn to make a statement, and you can call us with it right now at 239-206-3694. That's Fox 4. Or join the discussion right now on Facebook. Look for Fox 4 Now on Facebook and tell us, what do you think about Chick-fil-A's president donating millions to keep gay couples from getting married? We'll be sharing some of your comments coming up at 6:43.